today I've got an advent calendar unboxing, and this is the Vivo Cosmetics Beauty Advent Calendar. I got this from Fragrance Direct, and we are just going to unbox this advent calendar. This is a 24-day advent calendar. So let's just get unboxing this advent calendar. So I've just priced this advent calendar, and it's actually a little bit cheaper than what I paid. It's actually at £9.50 now. So that works out for 24 days about 34 pence. So we're going to unbox this. We're going to see if this is worth it. Yeah, I'm excited about this advent calendar. Obviously this I think is aimed at teenagers. It's quite aesthetically pleasing. I think it's quite a pretty advent calendar, kind of cooly. Cooly, is that even a word? You know what I mean. But yeah, so we're just going to unbox it. I feel like it's small enough that I can unbox it here just holding it. So we've got day number 1, and this is day number 1 here. So let's see what's in day number 1. Looks like a lip gloss. Day number 1 is a lip glass. So they're trying to be a bit like MAC. That is really pretty. This is a clear, shimmery lip gloss. That is really pretty. So we want day number 2. So that is this one here. Day number 2 looks like a lip and cheek tint. I think it looks more on the balm, like a lip balm texture to me personally. Mind my nails, they are chipped to hell. Definitely more of a very pale colour too. We want day number 3. So day number 3 is the same sort of shape as day number 2. Day number 3 is I would say a mauvey pinky tone eyeshadow. It looks very pretty. I'm not going to swatch it because it is one that I've got a million shades of that, but that is hollow up there, but it looks a decent enough size to be honest. I mean, granted, we're paying 34 pence a door. 34 pence a door thing. Right, we want day number 4. Day number 4 is a little skinny one here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it with all the deco on it. I need to put that eyebrow razor down. I'm going to like take myself out of it. Day number 4 looks like a lipstick of some sort. Number 4 is another lip gloss. Very tiny little size, I will say. Oh, what a pretty shade that is. Day number 4 is that really nice nudie pink peach shade. They are very little, I will say that, very little. So we went day number 5. This looks a bit bigger, but it's like that sort of square shape again. It's a nail polish. Day number 5 is a gold, is it gold? It's like silver and gold, I think. Nail polish. It's really quite pretty actually. So we want day number 6. Day number 6 is this one here. Day number 6 is a lovely green eyeshadow. I'm actually going to swatch this because this looks like something I actually haven't got. That's really pretty actually. That would be beautiful just as a one lid shade. And actually on my eyes now, I have actually got an eyeshadow from the Miss Cutie Pie advent calendar I unboxed on my eyes, believe it or not. So they're not just for kids. That is really, really pretty. Really pretty. I like that. That is one I really think is pretty. So we've got day number 6. So we want day number 7, which is right up above it. I can't get day number 7 open. Number 7 is another eyeshadow which looks like a beautiful bronzy copper shade. I've got this shade a million times again, so I'm not going to swatch that because obviously I have that shade. So these can go towards can go to my niece or something like that. I'm very funny about wasting products. So we want day number 8. Number 8 is another lip and cheek tint. Now, is this the same shade? I feel like if they aren't the same shade, there's not. No, I feel like they're the same shade, so you're getting two of the same lip and cheek tint. In my opinion, they could be different, but they're not enough difference for me to notice with my own two eyes. So we've had kind of two same shades. That was day number 8. So we want day number 9, which is another one here. I love having corners. Day number 9 looks like another lip and cheek tint. Different shade though. It looks different. Well, I don't know actually. So day number 9 is another lip and cheek tint. Yeah, it's definitely a different shade at least. But 2 days in a row, I feel like they could have spaced it out a bit. Just a little bit. Yeah, so that was day number 9. So we've got day number 10, which is here, which is another same shape that the lip and cheek tints and the eyeshadows have been coming in. Day number 10 is another lip and cheek tint, which looks the same. No, just comparing shades now. No, it is slightly different, but not much difference. So yeah, 3 days in a row we've had lip and cheek tint. We had day number 11. Yeah, not my camera. My camera has been wonky this whole time, so I'm sorry if it has. Right, we've just done day number 11, which was an eyeshadow, and it is another lovely shade. It's like a mauvey, a light mauvey, really nice. Really like this shade actually. It's a shade I have a lot of though, because it is one of the typical shades I wear a lot. So that was day number 11, but it's a nice shade to get. So we went day number 12, which looks like a little lip gloss, I think, again, because it's one of them tiny little doors. So day number 12 is another little lip gloss. They smell beautiful, like proper full-on vanilla. That is a very sheer pink, but I think that's like an everyday lip gloss. This would be super cute, super, like, these remind me of the size of the W7 ones in the W7 Avancana. These would fit lovely in your purse, like literally your purse, not your bag, your purse. They are so little. They are 1 gram. It says the grams on them. Day number 13. Day number 13, which is here. There's a door right now, day number 13, and it doesn't have a number on, so I'm wondering what door that is. There. Wow. Day number 13. Day number 13 is such a deep blue shade. That is stunning. Let's swatch that. That is stunning. I don't really have a lot of blues, so it doesn't come out as pigmented, but we'll try 2 swatches over it. That is so pretty. That is such a pretty blue shade. Really, really pretty. We want day number 14, which is this one here. Number 14 is a stunning glittery nail polish. The camera is not picking up how pretty this is. It's like a coppery pinky red. It is stunning. That is stunning. We want day number 15, which is here. Day number 15 is this like neon pink nail polish, very pretty. That is so pretty. That would be so pretty on your toes. We want day number 16, which is this little one up here. Day number 16 is another lip gloss. It's just very sheer with a tiny pink tint to it, like a pink glitter or a glossiness to it. It's very sheer, but it's beautiful. It was day number 16, so we need to find day number 17. It's down in this corner here. You know, my nail lady would be so mad at me. Don't use your nails as tools. I say that myself when I do my client. You do not use your nails as tools. And I'm doing it. We have got another lip and cheek tint. This is like an orangey shade. Definitely a different shade. Very different. Right, an autumny fall type of shade. Very nice. We want day number 18. I'm just thinking we've got that random door that hasn't got a number on. Number 18 was it? Is a very pale pink nail polish. We want day number 19, which is here. Another lip and cheek tint, and this is a very natural nude sort of tone. Day number 20, let's see if we can find day number 20. We've got 23, 22, 21. Right, I can't find day number 20, so I'm assuming this little door that does not have a number on is day number 20. Day number 20 is a very like purpley lip glass. They call them lip glasses. That is it there. Wow. It's sheer, but it's got a colour to it. I just think they're super cute. I'm really crazy about minis, so like just ignore me. So we want to day number 21. Day number 21 is another lip glass. And that is it there. It's like a nudie pink. It's a nice shade. I think that's really nice. Right, so we want day number 22, which is this one here. So we want day number 23, we're nearly at the end. Day number 23 is here. I love advent calendars, you know. Oh, this is so pretty. Day number 23. So the day before the last day is just a gorgeous nail polish. It's just got such a sheer amount of glitter. Oh, that is beautiful. I can't wait to try that. Such little dinky sizes, but really nice. So last but not least is day number 24, and it is either eyeshadow or lip balm because of the shape. Day number 24 is a icy blue shade. Stunning. Reminds me of Frozen. Absolutely stunning shade. Yeah. So that is that advent calendar. It looks absolutely trash, but it does come with a sleeve. So like when you're not opening it, I will say like you don't have to look at that. You can put the sleeve over the front. So it still looks pretty, which is a win in my opinion. Yeah, so this advent calendar, my thoughts on it, I will say this from the start, there is not one filler product. There's no sharpener, there's no rubbish brush, there's no, I like tweezers, I was going to say tweezers, I don't know why tweezers came to my mind, hair bubbles, there's no clips, anything like that, no nail files. There is not one filler product in this advent calendar. Is it aimed for younger people? Yes. Is there good shades in here? Definitely. Like I'm going to be definitely using that blue, that lovely greeny colour. I will definitely use them. Would say my niece like this. She is 11. Definitely, I think she would love this. You've got lovely nail polishes. You've got some lip and cheek balms. I'm not 100% keenest on them, but they are a product. There's some eyeshadows, lip glosses. Really good mix. This is a really good mix. I feel like this is such a good little advent calendar. The sizes of the lip glosses and nail polishes are tiny. I have seen them sort of sizes. I've got lipstick all over my teeth. I'm really sorry if you can tell. I've had them sizes in more expensive advent calendars. I did get, this is cheaper than what I got it for, but when I got this, I actually got it with 10% off too. Fragrance Direct always have coupon codes. So I feel like even this is an under £10 advent calendar to begin with at the minute at the price it is. I think I said £9.50. But then if you can get a coupon code, you're getting it even cheaper. So I feel like this is definitely bargain. I would definitely purchase this for, say, my niece or somebody, like if I had friends who had kids this in that age range. I definitely feel like this could go up to 13-year-olds and stuff like that, depending on how grown up the child is you're buying for. But even as an older person, I wasn't disappointed in this. Do you know what I mean? This was not bad for its money. I feel like the products are definitely usable on an older person scale. Yeah, I feel like this was really good for the money. Some of the products I will definitely be using myself. Obviously, when I unbox these more budget ones, I'm unboxing them to show use, and really I normally quite a majority of the products I keep for my niece or my friend Sarah's niece, the products. But I'm going to keep all them little mini lip glosses. I think they'd be fab for my purse, like literally in my purse. I know they're tiny, but yeah, I feel like this was a good one. I really do. I like this one. But anyways, let me know what you guys think of this advent calendar. I always like to know, because obviously everyone has different price budgets, everyone has different opinions on what they think is good in an advent calendar and what they don't. We are all different, we all have different opinions, which is always good to get talking, and like everyone has different opinions. I love hearing your opinions. So what do you guys think of this advent calendar? And if you like these type of videos, I've got quite a few advent calendar unboxings coming, and different ones than what you would see on everyone else's sort of channels too, which I always like to try and do a bit more budget sort of advents, and I do like to do a bit more of the high-end ones too. But anyways, I hope you like this video. If you like these type of videos, I'm so close to 2,000 subscribers, so please subscribe down below if you haven't already, because I've got a giveaway coming out 2,000 subscribers, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.